Right, the general way we write it looks like this. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x. And in this case, m is the slope. X1, Y1 is any point. So for example, y minus 3 equals a half x plus 2. That right there, the slope would be a half, and a point on that line would be the point -2, comma 3. When we change the sign, when we pull it out of the equation, because it's minus here, and it's minus here. Now, technically, this is all a big pile of translations. This represents translating up and down. This translates to translating it. Let me start that over. This represents translation up and down. This represents translations left, right. And this represents shrinking it or growing it into the tilt on the slope. Or another quick example of this, if I were to take the slope of, slope is, say, +3, and it includes the point, the point would be, let's do 4, -2. This would be y plus 2 equals 3, x minus 4. Now, this should be reviewed from last year, but I did want to make sure we went back and we got a quick recap of what point zone form looks like. Especially because a lot of students still tend to fall back onto slope-intercept form. And in the next example, you'll see why it was so important that we reviewed this format, because it works a lot better for what we're going to be trying to do with this than if we were to be going straight into that right there. There's enough stuff already we got to deal with. It's just let's just cut out one step and let's write our answers in that format. The downside is you have to remember this format. What can I say about that by way of review?